Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move. Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. She's in the house. Where shall we begin?
We can begin with Micron.
Good.
Ticker is
Okay.
MU because it reported earnings, and the stock is actually rising by 13.5%. It pared back some of those gains, but still, those are double-digit gains. And Micron is the largest U.S. maker of computer memory chips, and they gave an upbeat forecast for the current quarter. Again, a sign that surging demand and supply shortages are really allowing the company to charge more for their products. So
Up 6%.
6%.
I think it's up $13, but up 6%.
You were right. Yes.
Sorry, I
Thank
just
you,
was
Carol.
like, no.
You're
it's
right.
Just, I was like, whoa, what did they say?
13
maybe?
bucks, but up 6%. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you for that on-air adjustment, aka correction. Okay, so
No,
which
it's
is
team
horrible.
effort.
happens.
We want to make sure our team effort.
That's true. So the CEO said that
Fortunately, I'm never wrong.
you were convinced,
No.
though, Tim.
I'm
So-
wrong.
Fortunately, I am always wrong.
I'm always wrong.
okay, the company
We keep each
said
other honest.
it's positioned to be a
Let's
quote,
keep talking about it.
essential AI enabler. So again, the stock rose 6% in late trading, but it's already up 168% this year.
I know. I am blown away. We had a great conversation with a member of our BI team, and he talked specifically, Jake Silverman, about how the supply-demand metrics are off. And so because there's so much demand, not enough supply, they're able to charge a lot more for some of the chips that people want. And so that's why you see revenues up. You see their margins up. It's pretty impressive.
Okay.
You want to go to Medline?
I want to go to Medline because this stock
good.
just surged
I
today.
read your mind.
I will not correct you anymore.
No, please do if need be, but hopefully. So it's the first day of trading for Medline. They're a medical supplier. Shares surged 41% in their trading debut. And this comes after the company raised more than $6 billion in what is the year's biggest IPO, which is impressive. Or maybe for some people, maybe not quite, because it's not like we saw a ton, but still, it's a superlative. So Medline counts Blackstone and Carlyle among their backers, and they sold north of 216 million shares in an upside offering that priced really at the top end of their range. So the trading gives the company a market value of around $51 billion. And Medline manufactures and distributes medical supplies like gloves, gowns, exam tables, all things that are important.
Also,
Don't you love
the
this
classic
story?
swaddle blanket.
Really?
Do they?
Oh yeah, the one that you see in
You bring
every photo.
you bring your babies home in?
You bring your babies home in it, and the
I still
pro
have-
tip:
I just found
get
my
as many of those as you can from the
I
hospital
just
before
found my
you go home.
daughters. Like I was going.
Oh,
through
you
old
kept
stuff.
it?
Oh yeah.
That's so
Yeah,
sweet.
we still have a few.
Yeah, it's like
They're
That's so
like the
classic.
sweetest thing, and it's soft.
You're a good
and
mom.
It's just, I try, but I just thought it's like a sweet memory. You know what I love about this? In a world where all we talk about is AI and like high tech and da-da-da,
That's true.
It's just like kind of a, they make
a classic, like it will
basic
never go
things,
away.
right?
Yes.
And it's just interesting to see this come out of the gate so strong.
I mean, I think many would argue that it's a growing business because medical costs continue to just grow, and given an aging population,
Yeah.
that's perhaps part of the bull case.
You need this stuff, right? And as we found out, Romaine Bostick apparently like swipes the PJs at the hospital.
Those are not
or the
PJs.
hospital
Those are
gowns.
not PJs.
Or the hospital, what they wear. And
I'm not going to.
Are those even comfy? But okay.
Actually, I have to say, I remember a family member being in the hospital and we're like, can we have some of those? They were really nice. And they were like, they worked with a designer to like create these really cool
I'm
patterns.
being told to move on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right,
Because
where
we
do you
got
want
a
to
few
go?
more. We probably don't have time
Sorry.
for 3 more, but I want you
Okay,
to pick.
pick your favorite. General Mills, the
let's
stock
do that.
rose 3.5%.
Let's go old school. Let's talk
Yes,
cereal.
I know. So after the earnings beat expectations, a highlight was the positive volume growth in North America retail segment. So this is kind of like a nuanced story because the CEO said North American consumers are buying food when they go on sale. So again, it just really emphasizes that households are feeling pinched. And no, companies, them included, weren't offering bigger discounts or more frequent discounts. It's just that whenever they go on sale, people buy more and more. And in an effort to boost sales, they've lowered their prices across 2/3 of their North American retail business. And when they did slash prices, that's when they saw an increase in volume. One thing that didn't do well is cereal, which I love. Anyway, the company said more and more people are looking to just consume protein. And remember their Cheerios with higher protein?
I know.
They expect that to be around 100 billion $100 million with an M. Dollars by the
I
end
have
of
my
the fiscal year.
Cheerios
I have
you
Cheerios
eat.
every morning.
Yeah.
Wait, no,
You have
Carol.
Cheerios
Really?
throughout the day.
Well,
You look great.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you know who my favorite person is? Isabel Lee. No, but you know what? It's also supposed to be good for, I think, is it cholesterol or something? There's certain things you
Cheerios.
I think so. Yeah. It's like one of those foods that they recommend. So I just figure I'll just munch a little bit, in the morning.
Wow.
I know.
Tim and I
Who
should try
knew?
it tomorrow morning.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.